go make some food.
Hey y'all, welcome to Cooking on the Farm. I'm Rachel and today I'm gonna make chicken cordon bleu. I've got my oven at 350 degrees. Come on in, let's check out our ingredients. We're gonna need some chicken breast, some Swiss cheese or provolone cheese, and some ham, whether it's you cut it yourself or you just get some regular lunch meat. And salt and pepper. All right guys, so I'm gonna start off by taking my 9x13 pan and putting some salt and pepper down on the bottom of it. And this is just gonna help season our bottom half so we don't have to worry about the flipping it over and stuff. My new salt thingy that my mama got me. All right, so I've already done this guy, so I'm just gonna lay him right on in there. So if you have you buy chicken breasts and they have this little flap right here, this is actually your chicken tender. You wanna cut that guy off. And you just kinda wanna follow where it lifts and just kinda cut it from there. And we're not gonna be using these guys today. I have trimmed my other ones. All right, if you have a chicken breast that one it is super thick and the other one is not, you can pound that down. These guys look pretty even. So you wanna have your hand flat and you want to put it on top of the breast. David's gonna zoom in and show what my hand looks like. I actually have it kind of concaved, I guess. So my fingers are not gonna get chopped. I'm also going to hold my knife and go through. I'm not going all the way through. This actually is gonna fillet your chicken breast. I'm not going all the way through though. Okay, so you wanna go super slow and just kind of looking to see where things are. You wanna make sure you're not getting too thin. And then once you get to this point, you can kind of open it up and kind of chop from here. And if it's not 100% even, it's fine. This is again for your family. All right, so I'm not going through. You can season the inside here, but I like to taste the cheese and the ham, so you do you here. All right, I'm taking a piece of Swiss. So I only took out what I thought I would need. Any extra will be thrown away or cooked to kill off any of the meat bacteria. I put cheese on both sides. I put a few pieces of ham in here. I'm keeping this hand clean because you don't want to touch your knife with greasy hands. That just can open up a whole nother can of worms. All right, so then I kind of push this back down. And if that ham's sticking out, you can tuck it in or you can let it hang out. It just gets super crispy. So you can put a toothpick in it if you'd like. I don't find that's really necessary. I kind of put these guys close together. I'm just gonna sprinkle some salt on here. If you have a seasoning salt that you want to use, that's great. I'm just showing you simple salt and pepper. All right. All right, guys, so we're gonna wrap this in foil and put this in your oven, 350 until they're done. They could take, depending on how thick your breasts are, is how long it's gonna take. You want your internal temp to be 160. Right, I'm gonna start my temp at a half hour and then I'm gonna look at them. You can use this, heat wave oven or something like that. I don't remember. I've made it in those and those are super delicious that way too. But this is what I got now. So we'll bring you back when they're all done and we'll show you how we serve this up. So these took about just shy of an hour. I am at 174 on these. You're gonna let them rest for about 10 minutes. I've got my sauce heating up here and getting ready to pour on here. The inside of the chicken is so tender. I think it's because of the cheese kind of infuses it.
Yeah.
It is so good, guys. If you do use like, you know, a ham and you slice it yourself, you can do it as thick or as thin as you want. Just make sure when you do temp it, you're temping in the chicken and not the ham. I used a smoked ham and kind of give that kind of a smoky flavor. Super delicious. There's a lot of juices in the bottom here. These juices are amazing. You could put them in, like let them cool, put them in a canning jar, put them in the fridge, save them for soup for later in the week. Make gravy if you're gonna make gravy for something. Anyway, it is so delicious because it's got that ham kind of smokiness embedded or infused in that sauce. All right, guys. So from my kitchen to yours, I hope you guys have an amazing week. God bless. Baby,
Yeah, go for it.
Ready?
Yeah.
Hey.
No, you're not. You're. I thought you were talking on the ingredients.
Dynamite's in the back. Gavin, can you have my foil? It's over there. I forgot about the foil.
Yeah, totally.
What's that thing? It's like the old school air fryer. It was a big round thing. It looked like a spaceship, to be honest. It doesn't turn off. Okay. This guy's gonna hurt me.
Which guy?
This guy keep gonna bonk it.